Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remix or duplicate a project in Lovable, and why this can be really helpful. Sometimes you might want to duplicate a project so you can test new features, try a different design, or keep a backup without changing your original app. Remixing makes this easy. To do it, open your project and click on the project name in the top left corner. Go to Settings, then scroll down and select Remix Project. Here you'll notice there's also a checkbox that says Include Project History. If you leave it unchecked, your duplicate will be a clean copy with only the current version of your app. But if you check this box, it will also copy the full chat history and changes you made along the way, so you'll be able to see all the prompts and edits that built the project. This can be very helpful if you want to keep the workflow or reuse past instructions. This will instantly create a duplicate of your project that you can edit separately. You can also remix directly from the dashboard. Find the project you want to duplicate, click on the three dots, and select Remix. Lovable will copy the project and open it in the editor. Once duplicated, you'll see the new project name in the top left corner. You can rename it at any time to keep things organized. And that's it. That's how you remix or duplicate a project in Lovable, which is a great way to experiment without touching your original project. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lovable guides.